Okay, so I'm just going to play through the game here and then condense it down for this video demo, so apologies if I skim past something quickly, but it's just hard to fit everything into 5 minutes. So you see, after this warning screen displays at the start of the game, we will be brought into the main menu. From here we can go into the options menu, we can change our resolution or the graphics quality depending on if the user needs to put them down for their PC settings, and we can also toggle full screen on and off. From the select level menu we can pick a certain level that we want to play, and then if we start a new game it'll just bring us into level 1, which is a tutorial level. As you can see, once we get into it, it will display these prompts in the top left corner, and after the user carries out that action the prompts will disappear, as you can see. Once we get into the actual game, the tone will switch. As you can see, it's a lot darker. Just want to show off saving and loading here. So if we fire off some bullets and we reload, you'll see our ammo and clips go down. And then if we save what we have, and then if we move position and fire off some more shots, as you see me do here, and then we load, you'll see that our position goes back to the original position and our ammo and clips go back to what we saved them as well. To the right here you can see one of the story pickups, so the user can interact with this and it will display some story information. There's at least 2 of these on every level, so it keeps the player engaged with the story. Sometimes they will have little keypad or key codes in them, as you can see there, which the user must note down in their notebook so that they can refer to it whenever they get to a door. So we're just noting that code down here. There's also a ammo pickup here, which you can see updates the player's clips on the bottom right corner. The enemy AI here can't see us, it'll just go between its states. However, if it turns around and sees us, it will chase after us, as you can see here. But we can fire back and it will play a hit animation. We can also see his projectile attack here, so he'll throw a rock at us and we can dodge it, but if he throws it and it hits us, you can see that our health goes down. However, if the enemy has no health, as you can see here, it will die, play a death animation, and we can continue on. This is how we load a new level, just with pressing F when we get into a certain collider, and then we can also pick up this weapon here. There's 4 weapons in the game, and this is the second one which the player can pick up. The enemy's headbutt animation will lock the player in place so they can't move, however we can still fire back, as you can see. We can pick up health and ammo for different guns. And if we exit this level, but then we decide we want to go back into that level, it will start us where we left the level, rather than where we started in the first place, as you can see here. Our second enemy has different model and different animations, as you can see, and will deal a different amount of damage. Going back to the keypad thing, as you can see, there's a keypad here. We can't access this door, there's no way to open it to load a new level. However, if we interact with the keypad here, we look at what the code we noted down was, and we type that in, you'll see that we can no longer interact with the keypad, however we can indeed open the door. And that will load a new level. Our audio logs here, as you can see, we'll play audio information
23.
to the player.
Tensions are still high from the...
And then just showing you some more functionality of the keypad. As you can see, this one we can clear the code, and if we enter a wrong code it'll tell us. But if we enter the right code, we're not loading a new level this time, but we can see that we can open this door and it'll play an animation for that. Just showing off some of the other weapons here. We have the shotgun, which again has its own animations, its own sound effects, and this assault rifle here, again with its own animations and sound effects. Just showing off some of the level design here. As you can see, it's dark and ominous, and then in this one I used a particle system to create a sense of tension. To trigger the game's ending,
30,
you can see this
29,
countdown will
28,
be invoked, and
20.
if we don't make it out, this death screen will appear. That also appears when the player dies.
15,
However, if we do make it
14,
out,
30.
you'll get one of the game's 2 endings, and after this you can go back to the main menu and start the experience again.